Namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Today also I am going to teach Pali pronunciation. Now about vowels we can divide to two way, short and long. Short vowels and long vowels. This way there are 3 short vowels. A, I, U. Again A, I, U. Again I, U. Again 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 A, I, U. There are 5 long vowels. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. Okay, now again the this all our vowels we recite together. A, I, U, E, O. Again one more time. One by one can okay, one by one. Start from first Bantes, no? Okay. This long. A, I, I, U, E, O. Okay. A O. Can? Okay, listen. A E E U A O. Try one time. Okay, can? Try. I take time, huh? No problem, no? because sometimes think the Pali class very boring. Okay, now again we are going to pronounce other thing. The gutturals, kantaja sound. Please listen first. Ka, k, ga, g, ng. Always our tongue between the mouth. Only moving, don't touch anywhere. Ka, k, ga, g, ng. Always tongue only moving. Understand? Again, ka. Again, ka. 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 Cut. Cut. English cut. Cut. Ka. Ka. K. Little bit ras. K. K. Ka. K. Ka. K. Ka. K. Again try. Okay. Okay, next. Ga. 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 G. Ga. G. Ga. G. Try. From beginning, ka, k, ga, g, ka, g, ga, g. Try. Try. Try one time. Okay. Last one. Ng. This sound coming from nose. Ng. Ng. Okay. Understand? Ng. 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 Okay, little bit difficult, but don't worry, try to understand, then slowly by slowly can practice. Ng. Ng. Okay, from beginning, ka, g, g. Okay, try. Okay, now please pay attention. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. All are we call nasal sound. All are coming from the sound coming from nose. I can recite, can try to understand what is the difference. Ng. Sorry. This one. Ng. Ny. N. N. M. Understand different? No. My sound not different. Ng. Ñ, N, N, M. Have a little bit different. But this way, this one, Ng. Okay, again, Ka, Gh, Ga, Gh, Ng. Okay. Taluj, Cha, 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 Ch, 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 Cha, Cha. Ch, Ch, Cha, Cha, Ch, Ch, Cha, Ch. Try. Next one, Ja, 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 J, 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 J. Again, Ja, J, Ja, J, Ja, J. Okay, try. From beginning. Again. Again. Ñ, 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 Ñ. Okay. Next group, Muttaj, Muttaj. Ta. Our tongue, we have to touch middle of the mouth, upper of the mouth. Ta, ta, ta. Tongue have to like this. We have to turn and touch above the mouth. Ta, ta, ta. When I was child, before go to school and after ordain, we practice the some kind of the Sanskrit and the Pali poem and Sinhala poem, how to turn our tongue. Because when I was child, very easy to practice. At that time we used the Kaka gaga nga chache jaje nya vadaning tate dade na tate dade na vadaning Papa baba ma yare leve sase vadaning Sahala ang iti siddhirastu vadaning Namak samanta bhadraya sarva gochara chaksuse Karunamruta Kallole Sindhave Surya Bandhave. At that time, our tongue, when we was the child and in the Samanera time, we practice. And one other, the different kind of they have the small the book, we have to practice. At that time, our tongue can turn very easy to turn. Maybe next time I will bring this book also to teach. Okay? Okay, try again. This one. Ta. 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 Okay? Try. not ta. Our tongue don't touch to your teeth. Next one ta. This one ta. This one ta. Understand? No understand? Okay, listen. First group ta, th, da, d. Next one ta, th, da, th. Different, no? Our tongue, in the muddhaja meaning, our tongue have to turn and touch to upper mouth. Ta, ta, th, th, th. At the time, our tongue become like this, moving. Th, ta, th, ta, th, ta, th. Understand? Okay, try. Okay. Da. Next one. Da. 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 Dh. 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 Da. Dh. Okay. Try. Again. 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 N. 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 N also come in same place. Huh? Ta, th, da, dh, n. Okay. Okay, please recite all from beginning. Ta. Again. 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 Okay, next one. Dantaj. Ta. Ta. Th. Th. Ta. Th. Ta. Th. Okay, try. Next one. Da. Dh. Da. Dh. Da. Dh. N. N. Okay, again from beginning. Ta, th, da, th, n. Okay. Next one, ottaj. Very easy. Pa, pa, ph, ph, ba, ba, bh, m, m. Okay, try. Again. Good. Next one. Ya, r, l, v, sa, ha, l, ang, ya, 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 r, r, l, l, v. From here. sa, ha, le, ang. Okay, one time whole alphabet. Please try to recite. A from A. Huh? Don't recite ka kha ga gha like this. Don't recite. Huh? Ka kh ga gh ng. Okay, try. Good. Every day before I start the class, we try to practice again by again. Huh? Again. Some pronunciation rules, not all, little bit for the understanding. Huh? Please read, can understand. I no need to explain. Understand? Okay, now next example have. Huh? Now oh, sorry. Now see these words. Now we can see two color, no? Usually this one boo, this one this one the, this one This meaning all together we can say buddhang. But you have to understand how many syllables here. How many syllables? How many syllables? How we say two? How many? According to the English, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But according to the Pali, how many symbols? 6. Okay. You can see board also same here. Now the after boo sound have the two joint word. This time boo Dhang, like this, no. Difficult to sound. At that time, the first joined word we have to pronounce with beginning word. Bud, 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 dhang, bud, dhang. This means only two syllables, two letters, according to the Pali. Understand? According to the pronunciation way, only two. Now you know the how to divide alphabet before we start the pronounce. Then very easy to pronounce. Bud, dhang. Next one is the same. Dham, mang. Dham, mang. Two letters. Sang, gang. Sang, gang. Two. Understand? Sam, ma. Sam, bud, dho. How many? 5. Understand? Sam, ma. Sam, bud, dho. First time you try to recite one by one. One syllable, one by one, separately. Then easy to practice. Sam, ma. Sam, bud, dho. The pronunciation of a, they have the some according to the practice. After practice we can understand. Beginning time we have to open the mouth. If the middle or end time we have to close. Example, according to the our lesson, na, mo, na, mo, ta, s, tas, tas, not tassa, but this way, tas, bha, g, v, to, bha, g, v, to. Understand? Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Slowly by slowly try to practice. Okay, one more time. Namo. Okay. Bhagavato, no bhagava, no bhagavato. But we can pronounce, understand meaning correct, but according to the different countries, different people, they use different way. Why? According to their own language. Example now, according to compare to the Pali syllables, compared to the Chinese, some word, some symbol cannot see in the Chinese language, no? Cannot pronounce. Same with the Myanmar, sa, ta, tatta, no? they not pronounce sa. Like they have the different way according to their own language. But Sri Lankan Sinhalese alphabet all are coming from Pali. That's why our Sri Lankan alphabet, Sri Lankan language, very similar to the Pali, because the Sri Lankan language start from Pali. Pali and Sanskrit together, they miss. That's why the pronunciation different according to their own language. Anyway, everyone call this Pali International Pali. Now we are going to practice International Pali, not the Sri Lankan Pali. Okay? Again, example, Buddhang. Buddhang. Now you understand meaning, no? The A is no in front of mouth open, they understand. Before already explained this one also. Pavag, because they two words together joined. Pavag, not pavag. Pavag, va open. Pavag. Pavag. And this one, Jeta Vane, because two words, Jeta Vane, Jeta Vane, not Jeta Vane, Jeta Vane, va open, Jeta Vane. But don't think too much. This is a little bit for understand the rule for you understand only. Yeah? Normally you try to practice. Before already we explained Dipankara. Dipankara. They have how many alphabet? How many syllables? Dipankara. 4. Ka tan nyu ta. Ka tan nyu ta. 4. Kat the m one nas 6. Kad the m one nas. Understand? Always according to the Pali poem, we can see the ch, n always. At that time we have to pronounce ch, n, not cha, not na. Ch, n. Example, in the Gilana Sutta. Gilana Sutta they have Lord Buddha asked from the Bhante Mahakassapa, the Kachite Kassapa Kamaniyam Kachi Yapaniyam Kachi Dukkha Vedana Patikka Manti no Abhikka Manti Patikka Mosanam Panyayati no Abhikka Moti Name Bhante Kamaniyam Na Yapaniyam Na Yapaniyam. Usually someone say Na Yapaniyam 2 words. Na 1 word, Yapaniyam 1 word. Someone join together Nayapaniya, they say, pronounce. According to Sri Lankan meaning different. Nayapaniya meaning the king cobra like this. We call the Nayapaniya. That's why we know the word by word. In how many syllables in the word. We know then very easy to pronounce. Na Yapaniya. Na Dukkha Vedana. Na different. Dukkha Vedana. Understand? Okay. Now some rule here also can understand. only this thing about a. Why? According to the our way, they are have two sound. Sometimes open mouth, sometimes close. But others pronounce it always are open only. That's why Namo Tassa Bhagavato open only. We the Namo Tassa beginning time open. Middle and end of the word if have the a always close. Now the Mahamangala Sutta, we already before practiced this thing. Now I'm going to practice only first Pali poem. Bahu Deva Manussa Cha Bahu Deva Manussa Cha Mangalani Mangalani Achinta Yung Achinta Yung Achinta Yung Bahudeva Manussacha Mangalani Achinta Yung Akankha Mana Akankha Mana Sotthanang Sotthanang Bahu Deva Manussacha Mangalani Achinta Yung Akankha Mana Sotthanang Brohi Mangala Muttamang. Okay, follow. Okay, slowly go the previous way. Your habitual way. Okay, no problem. Try to understand. Bahu Deva Manussacha Mangalani Achintayung Akankhamana Sotthanang Brohi Mangala Muttamang. Slowly, try to understand. Okay, today enough for pronunciation. Now we are going to discuss the Pali grammar. This is more headache, but try to pay attention slowly, because try to understand first. Okay? Manussa. Yeah, this is a lone A. This is a lone A. Because of the lone A, we Manussa. If they have the short A, Manussa. According to this Pali poem, Bahu Deva, many Deva, Manussa, human beings, Cha meaning and, many Devas and human beings, Mangalani Achintayum. Achintayum means they thought about Mangala. What is the Mangala? Akankamana Sotthanang. They are thinking, always thinking. They stay with the thinking. Because of the reason, Bruhi Mangala Muttamang. Please explain us what is the highest Mangala, this is the blessing thing. This, like this, only the roughly meaning, not the word by word meaning. Later can understand after study the Pali grammar. I can explain now. They think, what is this, cannot understand. Bahu meaning many. This meaning the pronouns, plural, this pronouns. This meaning the nominative plural. That's why I cannot explain this time. I have to go grammar way. Yeah? Okay. Now the before start the grammar, we have to understand background of the grammar little bit. For the understand only, yeah? Parts of speech, pada jati. They have 4 way, 4 pada. Noun, nama, akyata, upasagga and nipata. Try to English have, Chinese also have. I could not understand Chinese. Nama, akyata, upasagga, nipata. Understand meaning? Understand, no? Okay. Nama, akyata, upasagga, nipata. Without 4 things, we cannot understand Pali. Example now. Nama meaning any kind of name. Akyata meaning via action. Upasagga meaning the Pali words have joined to the nouns. At that time different, they can give the different meaning. Nipata meaning, they also, example, cha, saha. Now we are calling tisaranena saha. Pancha silang. Now we are requesting 5 precepts with the triple gem. Saha meaning with. Nipata. Cha meaning and. Nipata. Na meaning don't. Nipata. No meaning nipata. Like this, nipata meaning they have the meaning, but they are separate words. Later can understand. Okay. Noun. Nama, akyat, upasagga, nipata. About nama. Now they have the different way. Now only understand enough. Don't think too much. Only understand. If you need, write down. Need to the by heart also. Without, if you know that those things, we can easy to enter our read the Pali, can understand very fast. Okay. Next one, akyata. Akyata meaning only they have the akyata different way. Example, the English also have past participle, like this. The different way have, no? Same way in Pali also have. more than English. But the akyata we divide 3 way first. But we are follow only few things first time. Only understand enough. Upasagga, all prefixes. Nipata, also they have the different meaning, but don't only know enough understand. Okay, now about Nama. Now we are going to explain according to the Pali about Nama. Before we start the Nama, nouns, we have to understand they have the three kind of noun according to the gender. Three genders of noun. This one more important. Pullinga, see, pullinga, masculine, ittilinga, feminine, napunsakalinga, Now the understand according to the English, you know the masculine, feminine sound. Same way, Pali also have. This is a pullinga. This is a ittilinga. This word is napunsakalinga. We have to understand first. Okay. Now we are going to explain with the example according to Pali. Now according to masculine, please read first. Okay. Now this is a Rukkha. Rukkha meaning tree. But compared to the English, tree meaning napunsakalinga, neutral sound. According to English. No gender. No, but Sinhalese and others, Rukkha, like this. Okay, now the meaning of the English. Rukkha meaning masculine sound. This one Chanda meaning moon. Ola masculine. Nadi, river. Always later explain. Later. No. Lata. Panya. This long, this long, not short. Panya. Please mark your book. Long, Panya. This is a feminine sound. This one don't have. Please this one don't have H. This one like this we have to our typing mistake away. Okay. This one dhana, not the dana. Dhana. DH dhana. Dhana meaning wealth, is correct, huh? Dhana. Chitta meaning mind. This is a neutral sound. Only give example. Huh? This way, so many uncountable, masculine, uncountable. Actually, we can see the Pali words don't have the English meaning. Cannot find. Even Sinhala meaning also we cannot find. There's too much the Pali words. I can give one example about Panya. Now we say Panya, no? Our Lord Buddha give 36 similar words for the Panya. 36 similar words. But we are translate to our own language, very difficult. Sometimes very difficult. About the Tanha. Lord Buddha gave 100 similar words. 100 similar words. Our Lord Buddha explained. That's why the 100 words have for the tanha. We translate to the English or our own language, sometimes difficult. Because the Pali one word, we have to give many words to the explain, to the meaning. Now example I can give, only listen. Okay, chitta. Chitta, no? How many similar words Lord Buddha give? 11 similar words. Chittang, mano, manasang, hadayang, pandarang, mano, manayatanam, manindriyam, viññānam, viññāna kando, tajja mano viññāna dhatu. No, that's why the Pali is the one word, but if we are going to translate our own language, not enough one word. We have to add more words, because not enough our language. But our Lord Buddha's language means all are fully complete language, Pali. This is the meaning. Now the Panya, they have 36 words. Panya, Pajanana, Vichayo, Pavichayo, Dhamma Vichayo, Sallakkana, Upalakkana, Pachupalakkana, Pandichang, Kosallang, Nepunyang, Vebhavya, Chinta, Upaparika, Bhuri, Meda, Parinayaka, Vipassana, Sampajanyang, Patodo, Panya Indriyam, Panya Balam, Panya Sattam, Panya Obaso, Panya Pajjoto, Panya Ratanang, Amoho, Dhammavichyo, Sammadhitti. Like this, they have 36 words. No, my meaning, they have the similar words. That's why, compared to the masculine and the feminine, neutral, so many words. But we are going step by step, don't worry. Slowly by slowly. Okay. But some words, some Pali words have, according to pronunciation, according to sound, they divide two gender. Example now, the here have this meaning stone. They have according to Pali two nouns, pasana and sila. Not sila. Sila. Pasana meaning stone but masculine. Sila meaning stone but feminine. Only understand later we are going to step by step, then can you see what is the difference? Only understand. Now example now, Geha means house. Sometimes masculine, sometimes neutral. Both they can use. Because Lord Buddha used, that's why. Not our own explain. Our Lord Buddha, different place, different way explain. Why? The example, therefore, somebody can understand this way. Somebody can understand another way. That's why Lord Buddha used different way, Pali grammar also, for the give Dhamma talk. During Dhamma talk time, Dhamma discussing time. Now, Kuchi. Kuchi meaning belly. Kuchi. This also going same way. But only understand. Don't think, very difficult to catch like this. Don't think. Now we are going to, now this all are nouns, we can divide two ways. Eka Vachana. Eka Vachana and Bahu Vachana. Singular, plural. This one no. Eka Vachana, Bahu Vachana. Now but see, Vachana meaning word. Eka meaning one word. This means one word, singular. Vachana meaning word. Bahu meaning many. Many words we call Bahu Vachana, plural. Okay, if you need, write down. Eka Vachana. Bahu Vachana. Eka Vachana Bahu වචන. Okay, next. This one only for understanding first time. The nouns we can divide after that the 8 way. Example now okay, compared to English also have no subject, object. Now I am going with you. Now we have to add with, and I give to you, and I came from Sri Lanka. From, I have to add from, no, and I this one this computer belongs to the somebody. At that time we have to off or belongs, and I stay in the house, inside the kuti, inside the room. At that time we have to add some words, no? The same way. Dear mother, oh man, dear father. We have to the some address for somebody, no? At that time also we have to add according to our own language some words, no? Same way, according to Pali also have. But Pali one very, very clear compared to the others language, others grammars. Now this way, Ola we call vibhakti. Vibhakti meaning case. We divide 8 way. Now you see the meaning here first. Subject, object, by, with, through, to, or for, from, of, in, or man, or dear. This way how many? 8 way, no? 8 way. This 8 way, they give the Pali, give the name. They have the name, Pali. We call Patama. Patama. Patama meaning subject. This means Patama. Dutiya meaning object. Tatiya. Karana. They use 2 words, but they by, with, through meaning. If you want to give this meaning, we have to use Tatiya or Karana. This rule, Tatiya or Karana rule, we have to use. And if we want to give something for somebody to dana, at that time we have to use Chatutti. Chatutti. They give the name 204. 204 we have to add. At that time we have to use Chatutti. Chatutti Bhakti rule. This case rule. And something I take out from somewhere. Somebody came out from others. At that time the move, already move. Because of this meaning we have to call Panchami. Panchami. This meaning from. And they belongs to us. No, this is my book. This is my kuti. At that time we have to use chatti. Chatti, okay, this role. Okay. Now I am in the room. Somebody help, like help. Something help for us to stay in. We stay inside. At that time we have to use Sattami. Sattami rule. And we have to address somebody, dear or something. We have to use Alapana. Alapana. Alapana meaning address. We address to somebody, we call Alapana. Now understand this thing? No? No. Try to compare to English, your own language. Don't think other side. Don't think this meaning also. This one don't pay attention here. they give the name according to the, now the normal way we can use Patama meaning subject, Dutiya meaning object, Tatyakarana meaning by with through, Chatuti meaning two or four, Panchami meaning from, Chatti meaning of, Sattva meaning in and at or something, Alapana meaning oh dear. We can use like this way. If you go to this way, this English also couldn't understand. Nominative, accusative, ablative, dative, no, genitive, locative, vocative, no, some English. This only later you can find the meaning. Don't pay attention. Only the brief way understand. Subject meaning Patama like this. You try to understand. Try to by heart. Understand my meaning? Easy, no? This way. Okay. If you need, try to mark. Patama. Patama meaning subject. Always subject meaning coming the. According to English, I don't know, my English no good. Usually the man, we call the man, the tree, the book, the subject. If you have the subject, don't have the at the time, I take book, I take a book, or I take books. At that time, I don't know English, but because Pali, a book, I take a book. At that time, object. A book meaning object. Coming from Dutiya. I go with you. I go with you. At that time, Tatiya. Tatiya. And sometimes Tatiya meaning without action. Karana meaning with action. But you see, now I cut the tree by knife. By knife or with knife. We can see action. This action time, we have to understand Karana. Don't have action. I go with you. But cannot see like this action, no thing cannot see. This is a Tatiya. And I offer to him something. I offer to you. I offer to Bante. To offer. At that time, Chatutti. Just now I came from house. From house. At that time, Panchami. This pen, how to say? Oh, Bante's pen also can. Bante's pen. Bante's pen. Pen of the Bante also can. Pen of the Bante also can. Next one, I am in the room. In the room. Sattami. Oh, dear brother, dear sister, dear mom. We say dear. Oh man. But I don't know, oh, use this time? Yes. Oh man. This thing, Alapan. Understood? Try to write example by yourself with English. Patama subject, the man or the book. Later can understand singular plural. First time you have to understand basic knowledge, basic meaning. Actually, this book quite deep, but I take only one thing from here. Then I want to explain until understand. After that, I go to this book. Because all our thing don't have in the book. Because you don't try to find this book. Because that's why. This thing have in the page 4. This thing have. But I mean, after this thing, I go to the example now, Patama. I take only Patama. Then I add many Pali nouns, Pali Nama. Nouns, how to practice Patama only. Singular, plural. How to practice. After understand, then go to next one. Next. Like this I go. Okay? Otherwise, all I can teach. I don't know the after that. Okay, now understand briefly. Okay. I go next. This is for understand. Each noun, this meaning masculine, feminine, neutral. Each sound we can divide 4 ways according termination. End of the word, end of the alphabet. Gender, number and cases. Only for understand. Because before we going to study grammar, we have to understand. If somebody asks from you, how you explain? You have to understand basic knowledge, the background of the grammar. This termination only understand, don't too much pay attention. Okay? This meaning, we according to we know this one we divide nature according to the nature of the sound. Now example now our this time we use the different kind of name, no? The end of the name, they have the different stop. The example, the stop sometimes sometimes e, sometimes e, sometimes u, sometimes u, sometimes o. Understand? This way they divide termination, divide only masculine, only this group masculine. First time they had masculine. Akaranta meaning end of the a. According to Vinaya, we cannot teach. Everybody sit. I can't stand up, no? Okay. You see, here have Patama, Dutiya like this 8 way, no? This nara. This is nature of the sound, nara. This sound we can change to the how become subject, how become object, how become like this. We can change this sound. This sound can be changed. Understand my meaning? Example now, book. Book meaning nature of the sound, book. Now here the book, a book, with book, by the book, to book, from book, of the book, in the book, book. Maybe, right? No, I want to say, this is book meaning nature of the sound. After that, we can change to the according to the cases. Understand my meaning? Same way, Pali also have. This is the nature of the sound nara. Nara. This one we can change to the how become subject, how become object. They have the way. Only for understand little bit I explain, not go far away. After not go far. Can see? Okay. This is a nara sound. S meaning singular, P meaning plural. Okay. This patama. Patama. This meaning patama means subject. Now they have the prefix. Suffix. They have suffix o, a, o, a. O meaning singular, a meaning plural. Now nara plus a, nara plus o. Then we have to join. This one first a, we have to delete. Become narrow. Narrow. Nara plus a. First a we have to delete. Nara. Understand? Now this is the nature of the sound nara. We can according to the patama vibhakti, patama case, the subject nara plus o become naro. Plural nara plus a become nara. Okay? Write down. This is like mathematics, but usually this word not like this way. They have the many grammar sutta like mathematics. If someone want to study mathematics, question have answer not enough, no? We have to explain how become this answer step by step, no? Same way this one also have. If I not go this way, maybe later after finish this book can explain, can teach. Okay? Next, dutiya, object. Nara plus ang. Nara plus ang. Then we have to first delete, become narang. Narang. Plural nara plus a. delete the first A, become Nare. Nare. Now we usually Buddho. Buddho meaning subject. Ekavachana. The subject singular Buddho. We use Buddho, no? And Dhammo singular. Sangho. Now understand? Subject Sangho. Putto, son, the son. Putto. I go next time. Okay, understand this thing? Okay, clear? Okay. Sorry. This same way, only for understand here, same way, according to the nature of the sound, we divide termination. This is a nara, akarant. End of the, because of end of the a, we call akarant. Aggi, because of the e, end of the e, we call ikarant. Pakhi, because of e, ikarant. Bhikkhu, because nature of the sound bhikkhu, not bhikkha. Bhikkha nikan, not bhikkhu. Bhikkhu, nature. Bhikkhu, ukarant. Sabbanyu, ukarant. Go, go meaning not go. Go meaning bull. Okarant. Like this we have. Now we are going to study only this one. Only akarant nara. Under the nara, so many similar words we have to follow. Okay. Now I am going to explain only this sound nara. This means akarant, end of the a. Akarant nara sound. This nara become like this way, patama, singular plural, dutiya, this means object, singular plural. Same way, many things I have to explain. Now, this time I am going to explain until fully understand only this one. Okay? Now, declaration of nominative masculine akaranta nouns ending with a. This means nara. Okay. Now you see root noun. The nature of the sound in root noun also we can say root noun. But English has the root. No. Have? No. Actually the Pali, Sanskrit, Sinhalese, they have the, every word have the root. I don't know Chinese. Have? No. Hindi also have. German also have. Yeah, French also have. Okay. Now, nara plus o become naro, the man. Nara plus a become nara, the men. Understand? Okay. Okay, next one. Please recite. Buddha plus o, buddho. Buddha plus a, buddha. Understand? Clear, no? Okay. Putto, putta. Okay, please write down the new noun. You have to by heart. Otherwise, cannot understand Pali. Write down and try to by heart. On the way, you can think Buddho, Buddha, Buddho, Buddha, Putto, Putta, Putto, Putta. When I was child, I am going to Pindapata, no? At that time, before go Pindapata, I take like this paper, then many things write down, Pali. Then go Pindapata, reciting go Pindapata. Going coming because I have to go Pindapata maybe the half kilometer. Then after finish already by heart. We use like this. Otherwise no time. There's another thing. Before when I was Samanera and the first ordination time, in my kuti everywhere the paper notice, hold the wall everywhere because I am sometimes walking in my kuti, always can see the pay attention to the papers. Then automatically by heart. This way you also try to practice your room. Don't think the cannot can. Your room also you can this one all write down and paper keep in near your bed, and before sleeping you can read, sleep. After wake up morning can, always you can pay attention. This way you try to do, can. But I can give only the 25% present. You have to find 75. This means because of practical after practice. Understand? Now Pali is interest, no? No interest, boring. Okay. Next one, Kassako, Kassaka. Kassaka means the farmer. New words, farmer. Farmer. Kassako, Kassaka, farmer. Okay, try, recite. Naro, Nara. Buddho, Buddha. Putto, Putta. Kassako, Kassaka. Now understand? Any question? New one. Manuso, Manusa. Manuso, Manusa. Manus plus O, Manuso. Manus plus A, Manusa. Now always we recite Hetu Pachayo. Pachayo. Pachayo meaning subject singular. Pachayo. Pachaya. Pachayo. Understand now? Now your practice time. Pujemi Buddhang. Buddhang. Buddhang meaning nominative. No, yeah, about the Dutiya, Narang, no? Buddhang. They have words, okay. Next one. Matula. Matula meaning uncle. Now Matulo, Matula. Now next time you each other want to talk, you can say don't use uncle. Matula. It's okay for the practice time. It's good. Auntie? later because auntie meaning feminine. I am not counting the feminine. Now understand? Matulo, Matula. Next one. Kumaro, Kumara. Actually, the Kumara means so many. They have the to the boy. They have many meaning. Actually, Kumara means like princess. The king of the boy of the king. Boy of the king we call Kumaro. The boy also can say. Usually we say Kumara, but usually Kumara the main meaning the son of the king. Kumaro, Kumara. Prince. But the boy also can. Because we can use Kumaru. Kumaro, Kumara. Mit, friend. Mitto, Mitta. Mitto, Mitta. Now you see, according to Mitta meditation, Sabbe Satta. Satta plural. Sabbe Pana. Sabbe Bhuta. Sabbe Puggala. Sabbe Attabhava Pariyapanna. All plural subject. Understand? Sabbe Purisa. Sabbe Ariya. Sabbe Anariya. Sabbe Deva. Sabbe Manussa. Sabbe Vinipatika. All plural. Sabbahityo I not explain, it's feminine. Understand? Okay. Now same way they have the words, all words. Now you have to practice. Okay? Now I can give the few words, please write down to by heart. Tomorrow is to practice. Only the few the nouns. But I have to jump. Okay? I can write in the board, no? Very easy. Then. ब्राह्मण ब्राह्मण वाणिज्य भूपाल भक्त गाम Brahmin merchant king rice village. Cook rice but uncooked rice meaning vihi fatty vihi later can understand bhat okay odan also cooked rice same bhat also the rice odan also rice okay now I give you 5 nouns you have to do by yourself brahmano brahmana vanijo vanija bhupalo bhupala bhatto bhatta gamo gama okay enough today no but I can do but usually the 7:30 to until 9 no now we all summary nara buddha putta kassaka manussa matula kumara mitta meaning singular plural if you need this program can take from website no PMC website but I think the tonight cannot get but no the tomorrow so we have class no because this lesson not yet finished I have to continue maybe after tomorrow class after tomorrow candidate I have to continue because then after that I am going to give some verbs then noun verbs together after I will teach tomorrow how to make a small sentence I am going I am coming I am cooking like this way slowly by slowly it's okay you understand clear any question sadhu 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 okay we are sharing merits idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu idam me punyang nibbānassa paccayo hotu mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu sadhu 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 sukhi hotu nibbāna paccayo ayurārogya sampatti sagga sampatti mevaca ato nibbāna sampatti iminate samicchatu okay tomorrow 7:30